Hey everyone, just getting started here. Wanted to help everybody out by showing them how to record and upload a video to YouTube. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to record your video, and you can do this on any device that you have. One recommendation that I would have is that you would use a external microphone, not the one that is built into your laptop, your phone, your tablet. Especially for music recording, that's going to be really important to get a good quality sounding recording. You can buy a cheap USB mic like the one I'm using here for about $30, $35 on Amazon, and the one that everybody loves is called the Blue Yeti microphone that kind of does it all. It's about $130. So depending on how much maybe COVID money you can squeeze out of your principal, that's a good option as well. So you're going to want to use that and get a good recording. Honestly, the $30 one works great for most things that I do with kids. That's what I let my students use. So once you got your recording, you're going to want to upload it to YouTube. And as you can see here, I just have my Chrome browser open, and I have YouTube linked right here. But you could type it in or whatever, however you want to get to it. You need a Google account to access YouTube. But if you already have a Google account, you already have a YouTube account, which is really nice. So you open up YouTube. If this is your first time doing anything like this, it'll ask you to log in somewhere over here on the left side of the screen or up here. But once you've done that, you'll follow this link here. It says Create. You're going to click there, and it gives you the option to go live, which means you can do a live recording. It's great for concerts, that sort of thing. Or you can upload a video. Which is what we're going to do today. So you upload the video, and you just click that, and then you follow the directions on the screen. You can drag it in from the side if you have something set up to do that, but I'm just going to select a file off my desktop here that I put on my desktop special for it. It's right here, movie 5. There it is, me doing something in my piano. So I would just click open, and it'll start uploading it right there. Now once it uploads it, it gives you some options here. The first one is right over here, the video link. That's what you're going to copy to send to Chris. You can just highlight and copy it the old-fashioned way, or you can just click the little copy button. The video is not uploaded yet, right? You can say the audience, right? I usually choose it's made for kids. It makes sure that there's no advertising, right? And then there's some more options down here. Paid promotions, tags, language recording, data categories, comments and settings, license and distribution. You don't need to worry about any of that stuff. Okay, that's more for if you were trying to make some money off that, which we are not trying to do, right? Because we don't want to violate anybody's copyright. Okay, so once you get it uploading your video, then you can just go ahead and close out of there. It'll keep uploading in the background, and you go over here again to the left side of your YouTube channel, and I have some different, and right now this automatically popped up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I never can figure out why. But on your dashboard there, you'll see your video is still uploading here. Here's some old videos I've uploaded. Right here it says visibility, and right there, once it is uploaded, you can change the visibility. And what you want is you want unlisted. Okay, unlisted will help us avoid all those copyright violation issues. And also, but if you choose private, it won't share at all. If you choose public, it won't. We could have a copyright issue. So let's choose unlisted. It's that easy. I didn't actually choose unlisted. There. And I don't know why it's not changing. Yeah, maybe it's just not changing to me. I don't know why. So that's it. So you can see I've unlisted some other videos. Maybe my internet connection's not great. My video's still uploading. It might take a while. I can still go back to my details. I can check. You can also go here to choose your video visibility. In the upload page, I just found this actually, just right this second. So that's right there. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Definitely reach out if you are having trouble uploading any videos for your students. I'm happy to walk you through any of these steps, and make sure you're saving those links, putting them onto a spreadsheet, the student names, and sending those to Chris once you've got, or if he's created a spreadsheet that he wants you to send them in, we can do that too. So that'll be how we're going to do the videos. If you have any questions, again, let me know. One last thing before I go. If you do decide to mess around with the live application, there's an app out there called OBS, Open Broadcast Software. It's an open source app, and it's very good. And it's great for live streaming. So if you ever do a live stream of a concert or any other performance, I highly recommend OBS. And if you want any tutorials or any tips on that, well, there's a million of them out there, probably better at it than me, honestly. But it's very easy to use, and it allows you to do things like link mixers and different cameras, and put your program in there and all sorts of really cool stuff. So if you really want to get into the YouTube live thing, I would really recommend that program. I've been using it this year with my concerts, and it was great. So that's just a little plug for a great program out there. I hope everybody's spring is going well, and be in touch if you have any questions on any of this stuff. Thanks, guys. Bye.